If you want to add a clean, professional FAQ section to your website using Elementor, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create an FAQ section in Elementor step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. This is a simple but powerful way to answer common questions, improve user experience, and make your pages look more polished and organized. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Elementor and WordPress tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is add a new container to your page. To do that, click the plus icon on your canvas. Once the layout options appear, select the single column structure. This gives you a clean section where your FAQ content can sit neatly in one place. If you want your FAQ to look simple and easy to read, a single column is usually the best option because it keeps everything aligned and mobile friendly. Now that your container is ready, the next step is to add the Accordion widget. To find it, click the grid icon in the top left panel. This opens the widget search area, where you can quickly locate the tool you need. In the search bar, type Accordion. Once you see the Accordion widget appear, drag and drop it directly into your container. Elementor will automatically place it into the section you created, and now you're ready to start building your question and answer list. Next, it's time to add your FAQ content. Go to the General tab in the left panel. Under the Content menu, click on Accordion item number 1. This will expand the first item so you can edit it. In the title field, type your question. This should be short, clear, and written the way your visitors would actually ask it. Then in the description field, type your answer. Try to keep it helpful, direct, and easy to understand so your visitors can get the information they need quickly. If you want to add more questions, you can simply repeat the same process for each Accordion item. You can also click the Add Item button to create additional questions and answers. This is where you can build out your full FAQ section based on the most common questions your audience asks. You might use this for pricing questions, shipping details, service information, support policies, or anything else your visitors need to know before they take action. One of the best things about using an Accordion in Elementor is that it keeps your page compact while still giving users all the information they need. Instead of showing every answer at once and making the page feel long and overwhelming, the Accordion lets visitors click only the question they care about. That makes your layout cleaner, easier to scan, and much better for user experience. You can also style your FAQ section later to match your website design. For example, you can adjust the spacing, typography, colors, borders, and icon style so it blends perfectly with the rest of your page. A well-designed FAQ section can make your site look more professional and can also help reduce support requests because people can find answers on their own. Once your questions and answers are added and everything looks good, the final step is to publish the changes. Go to the top right of the screen and click the Publish button to save your FAQ section. After that, your Accordion will be live on your website and visible to your visitors. And that's it. You've just learned how to create an FAQ section in Elementor. It only takes a few simple steps, but it can make a big difference in how your website looks and how useful it is for your visitors. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more Elementor tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.